Welcome. In today's guide, we'll show you how to increase the text size on the WhatsApp app for PC using a simple keyboard shortcut. This is especially useful if you find the default font size too small and want to make your chats easier to read. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. Once the app is open, navigate to the chat where you'd like to adjust the text size. Now, here's the shortcut. Simply press and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard, then press the minus key. Each time you press Ctrl plus minus, the text size will decrease slightly. If you'd like to make the text larger instead, use Ctrl plus the plus key. This allows you to customize the text size to your preference instantly. That's all there is to it. With just a quick combination of keys, you can adjust the font size in your WhatsApp chats without navigating through menus or settings. This feature is part of WhatsApp's latest update, making it more user-friendly than ever. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might benefit from this tip. Enjoy your improved WhatsApp experience.